Welcome back to the channel. Trying to get more content out there for you guys. But yeah, today we're gonna see if we can weld in some floors, baby. Ooh. Okay, this has been bugging me all morning. I keep on like hearing the squeaking sound. Listen to this. Finally, I was walking. It's like, what the heck is this, you know? It's my dang boots, man. I thought there was a dang mouse in my pants or something, dude. Take this door off. Quick release. That's like a Chinese finger trap right there. Your boy is gonna get on this, okay? I don't want those doors falling off. Sweet! Oh. I'm gonna let this dust settle with the dust storm I just created. I'm gonna go make a quick salad and then might grab a little pizza, you know. Eight out of 10. All right, see you guys in a bit. Bang, bang. Nah, we can use what you're gonna get, guys. The best one. We'll see what kind of damage we can get done with the old flappy disc. Out of that corner right there. You got how bad this car stinks when you grind on it. That sounded weird. Forget that I ever said that. Baby, grind on me. This is pretty bad, like, conditions here. So if it looks like total dog crap, remember, a little grinder and paint will make you the welder you ain't, folks, okay? I mean, guys, you better put on your reading glasses because you ain't gonna find this patch panel, okay? I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's gonna be functional. Yeah, given the circumstances, it's a heck of a lot better than anything else on this car. So probably just stiffen the structure up, the body wise, you know, 100% right there. Yeah, let's move on to this one over here, and then we'll forget about the little small ones and do those later. And then it's looking good. That is looking. Let's do that little hole right there and sort of move on from this and take it, spin you around here. You see that right there? You take your paint or spray paint, that's the spray paint talking, and you just go around the edges like this and make sure you lay it on wet. You take a piece of cardboard and you slightly place it right there. You know what? You take that right back up. BAM! That's how you do it. Boys, I'm getting a little tired here of grinding. I don't know why this is taking me so long, but there she blows. That's just wet paint. That corner is a little iffy, but it'll be all right. Yeah, I ended up just plugging all these, just gapping it with the old welder right here, and she turned out half decent. Much better. I got sidetracked a little, but it's one of those things where I should probably do it rather than overlooking it and having it be a problem. This Swiss cheese piece of metal right here, it's part of the frame, and I just cut it out and sort of, you know, pried and chiseled it out, and it came out perfectly. So now I can just make a patch panel for this. I'll drill a bunch of holes on the side, like stitch weld it / plug weld it sort of thing, like they probably did from the factory, but it'll be a heck of a lot stronger than this piece would have ever been. So here it is. I think this is just a tad bit thicker, though. It'll be fine. Drill the. Woo! Oh, that looks a heck of a lot better. And that looks a heck of a lot better. Guess what? Now it looks even better. That is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you're seeing, please leave a like. Please comment on what you guys want to see in the near future. But as far as right now, hopefully the next video is going to be me welding in the floor pans of this, now that I got all like the nitpicky stuff out of the way. Also, I need to fix that side, and that's going to be an undertaking. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you.